Hello friends, I am Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand another important text function which is mid. So from the very name, like left, pick a text from the left side, right from the right, so mid will pick it from the mid. Now the question is from where it will start. So for this, in mid function you will find an extra parameter which is start underscore number, that is starting number. What I mean, let's start. So with the help of mid function, let's say I want to get this mobile number. So I have started with mid. As a text, I have selected this text, this particular cell, sorry, starting number. Now I need to tell the starting position of the phone number. It's not asking for 9, it's asking for the starting position, like R is 1, A is 2, M is 3, space is 4. Similarly, 9 is in which position, starting from the left. So that's my data. I know it's in 15th number position, so I've given 15, and then the number of character. Now from this starting point, which is 15, how many number of characters you want to pick? So from this starting point I want to pick 10 characters, which is of mobile number, so I've given 10. So there are three parameters: text, starting number, and from the starting number how many number of characters you want to pick. You will have the answer. But the problem is the starting position in each sentence is not going to same, so you will not have the answer. This is not a uniform function that you have put into. So again the solution is the same find function. So how you are going to apply this? Mid, as a text I have given this cell, as a starting number I am going to apply find. Now I need to find the starting position of mobile number, so I need to find something which similar. So hyphen is similar, you may see that. So as a find text I have given hyphen, comma, within text is this cell, because we have reached up to the level of hyphen, not the phone number, and phone number is just one position after the hyphen, so +1, comma, and from this starting position, because through the find function we have got the starting number, and from the starting number how many number of characters we want to pick, that's 10, so I've given 10, bracket close, enter. And if I'm going to drag it, we will have the answer. So this is how mid function can be applied. Now task, you need to get the city. Let me tell you, this is something very difficult. Just one example here, like Noida, Chandigarh, Rampur, but here there are two characters also, like New Delhi, Tamil Nadu, and so on. So how you will get the city? You need to apply all the functions till now which I have told you. It's up to you how you are going to find that. So go for it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.